As requested, this video is a tutorial on how to use Audacity to record audio streams of your computer. In case you don't already know, Audacity is a audio recording program which you can download for free using the links in the information section of this video. The version of Audacity used in this video is 1.2.6, which is pretty much the same as 1.2.5. Never tried 1.3. Whatever, so don't ask. Now, the audio in this video is not that great, which has nothing to do with Audacity itself and has to do with my crappy microphone. And the lack of video is because I don't own a video recorder. Screenshots will have to do. To record something with Audacity, it's really easy. Basically, you press the red circle button right there, and that'll record until you press pause or stop. And if it's recording, you'll see these blue pulses on the screen, which you could pretty much see. Now, if you see just a straight, thin line as the whole way across, nothing is being recorded. Now, if I had to take a guess on why it wouldn't be working, it is because your settings in this white box right here. Now, if you're trying to record something that's playing on your computer, like for instance, if you're playing an MP3, or if you're using the live audio player when you're listening to AM 640 Toronto Radio, A View from Space on Saturday nights, you want it in the section of stereo mix. Now, if you're trying to use a microphone to record something, obviously the section is microphone. Easily say. Okay, now if you want to pause something, for example, if commercials start and you don't want to record commercials, you just hit pause, which is the two blue lines, or parallel blue lines, which recording will stop until you press pause again. Now, for example, if the commercials stop, you press pause again and it'll start recording again. Now, when you want to stop recording your entire session, press the stop button, which is the yellow square or yellowish orange, and that will stop it completely. Now, as for editing, you do not want to start editing until you've actually stopped everything. And editing is pretty easy. And the only thing I really use this for is recording things that are playing on my computer, like usually A View from Space. So it works quite well for that. If you want to use this for professional reasons, I don't know, ask someone who is more knowledgeable. Now, if you want to edit things, basically you would highlight, you could play the sections, you could play it, and when you find sections you don't want, you just highlight them and delete them. If you want to select, for example, you would go, you can use the edit section, and then there's just selection to end, selection to beginning. For example, if you kept recording into a different show which you don't want to record, you could just press select to end and just press delete. You could delete anything in the middle too without affecting anything. So when you're done, you can save it. If you don't want to do your editing right now, you could save it, so you can do editing at a later point. But if you want to create it into a WAV or an MP3, you could just press export as WAV, MP3, or OGG Vorbis. I don't even know what that is. Probably some type of audio file. And I think that's pretty much it. So try it, test. You could test it using, like, just play an MP3 file and try to record it, see if it works. If it's not working, just say so, and I guess I'll try to think of something else.